Well, I'm going to use that wood that I just bought to frame in the opening for the window that I'm going to put in. And the window is going to go in there. Well, I cut out all the wood and cut through the plywood here. Wow, it's going to make it bright in here. And there's yet one other new window going in up above that door that I have yet to buy. I was hoping this window would do it, but... Well, put the window in now. I got this window from my brother, by the way, at his son David's confirmation. He found it in the garbage, and it was too good to pass up for free. That'll add some extra light into the kitchen. There we go.